Today we head to Kannur. Now we're not quite sure about the about where we're staying because we made a mistake when we booked the wrong days. Yeah, Yagoda.
I should not book anything before a coffee.
That is true. But in the meantime, we will have our first day on Kerala roads. So that's going to be interesting on its own.
It's past 9 o'clock. It's hot. I'm already sweating. Seems to be the theme of most holidays.
Sweaty.
Yeah.
Sweaty girl.
We don't know how the roads will be. It's Monday, so it's no longer, hopefully, Sunday relaxed traffic.
We've got photo bombers in the background.
That's our hosts from the hotel.
They're amazing. And so I guess we should get on the road.
It is how long? It's not a long time.
Couple of hours, 2 or 3 hours. So
it depends on how many roadwork blockages we encounter.
Exactly.
And idiots on the road.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll see you on that road. I am off on what is almost certainly a futile search for peanuts. To see what we can find here. We're in this tiny little town that we just stopped at to rest and drink some water. We haven't actually eaten anything today because Darby doesn't like to eat things in the early morning. I don't know about it, I was just passing by these old motorcycle repair places and they're so nice. It's just so nice to see all these beautiful old bikes. Some of them are like shit house bikes, but some of them aren't great bikes, but often you get these gems, these old Royal Enfields or something there. So success! I found some peanuts in a little shop up the road and hopefully that'll increase our energy. Weird thing, everyone always asks where I'm from and they say, I say, oh, Australia, and they go, oh, cricket! Australia beat India in the cricket the other day, so I always feel like I've got to apologise for that. Even though it was a great game. Alma has made a friend. Hello? Hello, how are you? Very nice to meet you. Peanuts.
Oh, thank you.
And masala peanuts and laundry. Good flow. And yes,
It's on. Hey, we booked in.
we booked in as you. That was.
I don't know who that guy is in full white.
I think he's again.
Probably.
It was we came here. Trouble is that they're entirely booked on the 7th.
So tomorrow night is booked for an event. From the looks of it, probably a wedding.
Yeah. So we
Their initial recommendation was that we stay tonight, but then we need to leave tomorrow, which means that we paid for 2 nights at not a very cheap place, and stay only 1 night. And I just saw this guy dressed all in white and very intelligent looking.
yeah.
Not very old actually,
Well,
but
grey hair.
Yeah. And I heard him talk with the guys from the reception, and I understood something about solution, or
Yeah.
the idea was that they reserved all the poolside rooms for the guests of that event, but they had spare ones. So he said, tomorrow night there will be an event there will be a poolside event tomorrow night, which may disturb us. If that is acceptable, then they're gonna put us up in a poolside room. And here we are.
So here we are.
It doesn't matter.
It was a.
It's an amazing place.
It is, and it was a full-on trip. One guy was yelling it down when I stopped and very kindly offered him a way of dealing with such things in the future.
Yeah, he was very pissed, as in David was very pissed, taking my
That was the guy.
action. Yeah.
Anyway, so we're here now, and although I can only see dimly into the future, there are 2 gin and tonics in our future.
Yeah, I think they're waiting nearby.
Possibly more.
And it's a nice pool and ocean view, and this place is just gorgeous.
All right, so I guess we're here for a couple of days. We'll just chill.
Yeah, and try not to think of what's coming next, because if anything is like this part of the road, then
Do it again. So we'll see you on the road soon.